Hello. In this video, I'm very quickly going to show you how TaxDash and with the help of our accountants can help you calculate your capital gains tax if you've sold a property and making sure you don't pay a penny more than what is really needed to. So when you're logged into TaxDash, you can go to the income section and go straight to your property section. Here you will see properties that you've already added, and if you click on this button, you can always add in new properties or other properties that you've sold or looking to sell. So once you've let's have a look at this property that we've already captured. If you've sold this property, you can go in here. So firstly, if you click on this heading, it will just group all the different headings together. So what we've done over the years is to split all the different or very important sections that you need to complete to make sure that we include everything to calculate your capital gains tax accurately. So what you can do is you can go through each section one by one and fill in all the information. And it's been, like I say, carefully put together to make sure we don't miss anything. You'll be asked for purchase price, legal fees, all the things relevant for that property. Once you've completed that section, you can go into the next one. Very important, if you've ever lived in the property, there's all sorts of reliefs and things that we can claim. So if you just go to the step and answer all those questions, we will get. Again, with business use, joint ownership, improvements, very, very important. If you've ever made any improvements to that property, answer all the questions in the section and make sure we take that into account to reduce your capital gains tax. When you sold the property, it's also going to ask you the details of how much you sold the property for, and again, all the relevant fees that we need to consider to calculate it. There's sections here to upload any supporting documentation. Obviously, one of our accountants will review the whole calculation and then draft the calculation and submit it to you for review, and you'll be able to ask questions all along the way to make sure you 100% understand. We've been able to save our clients a lot of money by going through this process, making sure we ask all the questions and we consider everything to um, calculate and make sure you pay the absolute minimum for capital gains tax on this property. I hope that was helpful. If you do need our help, please reach out and we're very happy to help you. Thank you so much for listening.